Hello everyone. So I want to let you know, in my Hope Craft Shop on Etsy, I now have this mini journal and this mini journal for sale. It is free shipping. Just wanted to let you know that. And now I'm just going to go through a project that I did this morning. Just wanted to show you what I did with some of my collage masterboard stuff. I decided to add stickers to them and distress them and corner punch them, and that was it, to make small little journaling spaces. So that's all I did, was made these cute little small journaling areas and added them to my journal here, or to make for journals, just to make fillers, because if you're anything like me, I normally have tons of these journals that I make, and then I have nothing to fill them with, or I make pockets up. I make a lot of pockets for this channel, and I always seem to run out of these. So that's why I've been kind of trying to focus on decorating tags and making journaling cards a little bit more. Well, with all that mass making we've been doing, I've decided to start another journal. I knew I want to use these papers of this lovely butterfly, and I got these off of the TLC Printables group on Facebook. I thought these were beautiful, and I thought they kind of went along with the flowy theme of this cover, so that's where I decided, okay, this is just going to be a butterfly journal, and that is that. So I want to lay something across here. Was my whole thought process here. Just something needs to be laid right across. So oh yeah, this is the stuff that's hard to cut. There we go. So which way do I want it? This way or this way? And this is, I got this color from acrylic paint and alcohol ink is what created this little texture it has. So that's how I'm going to glue it. Yes, I still have the cough. While we're waiting on that, let's find some more pages, because we want pages to this more than just that. First, I'm going to go through my nice pack of digitals here that have been just hanging out and see if I have any that would go cute with what we currently have. Well, how about we add some music paper? That would look cute mixed in there. Again, these are like misprints and stuff like that. Pure randomness. Well, let's add that to it too. I'm going to add that to it. That would be a cute page. Just split it in half and voila. Let's add that one into it. Let's see. This to it. These are just pre-printed out stuff that I've been just keeping. Which is like, why do you keep stuff hidden everywhere? Because I do. Alright, now I'm thinking it's going to be a 3 signature one, so let's see if I can find some Edith Holden here. Okay, that one's interconnected to this one. And I should, instead of ripping it the way I'm ripping it, because obviously it's ripping. Well, I got that one off. There. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 Edith Holden pages to add to it. Now if I can find my cover, because I really don't want my blade hanging out. Well, I'm just thinking too. No. Alright. Where is it? Of course I'd lose it. There it is. Where I cannot reach it. That's where it is. Alright. Always put covers back on blade. That is something I am very, very much big on. I may not do much when it comes down to that stuff, but that is one of the things I do try to do on a regular basis. Alright, so I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm just grabbing 6 pages of papers that my kids have colored or made so we can keep the ball rolling. No. I don't mind if these are ripped just because I know I'm using them for pages. So 1, 2, 3. I try to have 3 dictionary pages going. Do I want, no. No? Okay. One. Alright, let's do this. I'm going to come up with something with 3 of these, but I don't think I'm going to have them as pages either. And I'm going to put that back in there too. Alright, so I have these coloring pages. I like to use my coloring pages. I do not like the factor of them sitting around not getting used. So, 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them pages. 1, 2, 3. 3 of these funky pages. I don't know what they are, but they're funky. So 1, 2, 3. These are dyed papers that I thought came out really cool looking. All right. That should be in my scrap drawer. And then I'll be pulling some of these out too in a moment here. So this is another one. I got it for 75 cents. One, 2, 3. So our papers are all figured out now. Now if I need more filler papers, I will get I will add coffee dyed paper, but I try to count how much I have of these before I start doing that. So, and sort it all out. So, for right now, I'll just leave one behind so I know how much of each thing I have. And try to sort it. Again, I'm just trying to sort each of them out here a little bit. And some of these may end up getting cut into little strip or smaller pieces, and I try to use all of it, hold on to all of it. So again, we'll see where we end up. This is going to be a separate thing. I think we could do something really cool with this bridge score sheet, so that wasn't for this necessarily. It's still the same book and everything, but we'll see if we can come up with something for the book for a few or 3 pages out of the book. A pocket or something. Let's hold on to that. Just because this page would not have the same even amount, we'll add that one to it, that piece. So 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. And obviously I need to print out a third one, is what I'm seeing. Alright. So, now we got that a little bit more figured out, we can get to gluing this. Set this up here so I know how deep I need to go into this, which I'm thinking it's about here, so. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It's still gonna get crooked and ucky in this part, but that's okay. I guess it's all how you look at it. Now, when it comes down to doing this part, I'll probably use lace. Nothing like this for that. So, there we go. I think I'm done for what I'm going to show today. I know it wasn't much, but I wanted to get going on this project, and now that I know I need to print out another butterfly pick, I'll go ahead and do that. And let's see how many pages with one that has 2 butterfly picks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pages. So I think 13 pages per signature is pretty good. If I do any more than that, I'll definitely need to make the book bigger, and we don't want it too gatory. I'm trying to make it the least amount of gator as possible, but that doesn't normally happen. If you're anything like me, it rarely happens where you do a hardcover and it ain't a gator looking thing. So just try to keep it least amount of gator as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you want my mini journals, they are on sale on my Hope Craft Shop. And also, if you feel interested in me putting out more of like my pockets and stuff like that for sale, let me know in the comments. I hope you have a great day or night. Bye.